Introducing the ZEKI S1 3D.
That's the flex. ZEKI on the door next. Level next. Tap, tap.
Intelligent face recognition. Unlocking feels smooth, instant, and completely effortless.
Yeah, I got the proof. Secure so smooth.
Palm vein recognition adds a more advanced way to unlock. Quick, secure, and effortlessly smooth.
One code, one face, okay.
A hidden fingerprint sensor keeps the design clean while giving you fast and secure access with just a touch. Unlock with your password. Just tap your RFID card and unlock instantly. With a built-in camera, the lock adds more awareness and a smarter sense of security.